Are you or your loved one facing a lot of physical or mind related issues and you feel that you're not able to overcome the challenge? Whatever you are doing is helping temporarily. Then, in that case, I have a good news for you. Recently, I have purchased this healing device called the Healy. It is a FDA approved German device that is used in giving distance healing as well as to give local programs where a person can physically put the Healy on themselves. And what does the Healy do? It lets out frequencies and vibrations that the person needs in the present moment, in the real time. What you have to do is you have to feed your data in the app, and with that data, the Healy will give out your aura analysis. In my experience, whenever I have shared this aura analysis with any of my clients, they have always found it accurate. In these difficult times where we are unable to step out of our houses and go to the clinics and doctors because of the fear of catching infection, this device is a boon for all of us. You just have to feed your information inside the app and add your picture in the app, and the Healy will give out the list of programs that are beneficial for you. There are programs for all the organs of your body: liver, intestines, gallbladder, thyroid glands, each and everything. There are separate program pages for your hormones, for your nerves, for the meridians, for the learning, for fitness, and so on. This magical device, which is FDA approved, is used in more than 45 countries today. And I have been fortunate enough to know about it through a friend. And when I experienced a few sessions from her, I realized and I experienced his magic. And I decided that being a therapist, I must own one as well. This one device, when it comes to your home, it is useful for each and every member of the family. And when you take a look at that device, it is so tiny, just like a toy. And it functions with an app on the phone. You have to devote a separate phone for it and just wait and watch the magic. Do leave your comments in the comments section if you have to know more about it, if you wish to experience a session. Would you like to take a look at the device? Here it is. Many of you all may be aware or may be knowing about it, but I am here to share about its magic and the way it works. I use it even for my pet at home, for her skin issues, and slowly I am noticing positive changes in her. I send distance healing to various clients and my family members and the other friends and loved ones, and they all have experienced change with whatever treatment that is going on for them. You don't have to stop that treatment, it has to go on. And slowly, with the healing, with the frequency, with the vibrations that this device sends to your information field, and from there it reaches your aura and brings about the change at the cellular level. Once you start feeling better, you can go back to the doctor and let them know how you're feeling, and slowly let the doctor reduce the dosage of the medicines that you are taking. So, friends, do get in touch to know more about this. Thank you so much for watching. Love yourself.